What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Rocketeer. Welcome back. I have new gloves if it's your first time seeing these. Finally got new gloves. I replaced my old Dainese broken down, beat up gloves. And today's video is just going to be a chill ride. I may say something, I may not. But I'm headed over to Triumph Brooklyn post work. It looks like it might rain, but hopefully we beat that. Who knows? Let's go. Looking a little bit rainy, guys. It was so nice earlier today. I'll put some music on and just vibe out. I think I got a bug in my helmet somewhere. Oh, can't do it. God damn. Feeling the energy. I got a little pack behind me. I don't know if you can see it in my mirrors. I got a city bike and I got a scooter. Let's tear it up, guys. I feel so... Ooh, she passed me. Oh my god. I guess I'm taking the Williamsburg Bridge, which I've been avoiding because there's like crazy cops there lately. It's insane. So I'm gonna keep it real tame and try to go on my old route. Halloween. I hate that when it's like, oh, you gotta unlock your phone. I'm like, appreciate the security, but I'm not worried. Perfect weather, guys. I'm in heaven right now. Minus they're not being set up, but that's cool as long as the weather is like this. I'm not sweating. I'm a little cold, a little chilly, but not too much. I could ride all night like this, guys. Nothing much interesting happened at work today. It was just kind of a boring old day, which sometimes is good that way. Nothing to complain about, nothing to talk about. I've been thoroughly enjoying my rides recently, guys. I mentioned this a few videos back. I realized I have to remind myself to have fun on these rides and enjoy it. Put a smile on my face. You can't see my face, but some of these acceleration blips, woo! I just hit my leg. I'm smiling, guys. I'm smiling again. Kith moved here. Interesting. That's why they left. I couldn't figure it out. Kith, I don't know if you guys know about Kith. I feel like I'm late to the game, but in case you don't know, it's like the new era of streetwear, I guess. It's like kind of casual. It's streetwear for people in their 30s. So I guess like it makes sense because like streetwear kind of got big with like my age, around my generation, and now we've aged out. Wearing Jordans and Bape and all that stuff is no longer cool, but we still want to wear streetwear. So Kith offers that. It's like very less branded, less in your face, but still overpriced. And that's what we're looking for, guys. We want something that we can say costs more than the average person and act like if you don't know, you're not in the know, you know? I actually like some of their stuff. I don't own any of it, but like it looks really cozy. I just can't bring myself to wait in a line. Like I can't do the line thing, guys. I don't know. And it's just like I don't want to wait. That's it. It's not like I'm too cool to do it. It's like why would I wait for that? I don't know. I'll just either buy it online. If it's sold out, then oh well. Go. Ooh, look at that. Man, these electric skateboards, they go fast. They look fun too. I have a boosted board. Like this whole motorcycle thing started with electric everything. So I had an electric skateboard, the boosted Mini X. I still have it. I had a one wheel. I had a bunch of Super 73s. I went through the whole range, and then I realized I should just move on to motorcycles, so I did. But I should have kept the one wheel. It's like a funky little thing, and I fell on it. Like I was super drunk, but like. It's the first wheeled thing that I've taken a real bad spill on in a while. Like, I don't fall very much on really anything. Because I'm fairly coordinated. That, I was riding and I hit a bump. Not coming like this way towards me, but coming this way. Totally lost my balance. My ankles went out from under me and I ate shit. And the dinner that I had like a full to-go dinner. Like, a full bag for 2 people. Like, fork and tape, like, stacked to the brim. I literally, like, through this shit. Like I fell so hard that my arms just like perpetually went in front of me. I threw them in front of me. Food went everywhere. It was embarrassing. So I got rid of that, but I should have kept it. And like once I felt less embarrassed, I could have taken it. It's good for like flowing in a closed area. It's really fun. I kind of miss that thing. But I have the boosted board still. And the boosted board is really efficient. I use it to like get to places. So like sometimes I'll take it on the back of this bike, and then like when I gotta get somewhere, I'll strap it to the back, ride somewhere, park, and then use a skateboard to get around the city. God, this is so fucking ugly. I mean, I guess it's not going anywhere. I'm a little shaky there. Yeah, it's pretty gray out today. I've been having a lot of gray days. Not a fan, not a fan. I missed. Got stuck in neutral again. Still pretty out there. If I kept going out to Long Island, it would be a nice ride because it looks like I'm escaping the clouds. Probably not a lot of fun on the way back. Truck is rearing to go. He's ready. Come on, let's have some fun. Dang out! See, when I drive a car, it's kind of like I don't pull over like that. Like I pull over as far as I can. And it's the same thing like when I'm taking a turn, right? Like if I'm taking a turn here, I don't stop here and wait for people to cross. I'll pull further in, obviously not running people over, but just like I try to think of the other drivers. It's crazy to me. I see these drivers, they just like stop in the middle of the road and they're like, well, I'm parking. I'm like, yeah, you can park, but just better. Makes me think about like how these people go to the bathroom, right? It's like when you go to poop, do you like sit halfway on the seat and you're like, I'm pooping? No, you gotta like align yourself accordingly, right? Like Jesus. It's just not good enough, guys. You're just not. Your fucking brakes on. Alright, guys. Oh, that was a fun ride. That was actually good. I had some fun on that one. So, I'm gonna go check in, see what's up. A lot of bikes out here look all pretty much the same as when I left last. Thanks for tuning in for my little unwinding post-work therapy, guys. It is much appreciated. I'll catch y'all on the next one, and stay cool. Peace.